If you are still eating your fried plantain just like that, you are missing a lot. This is a creative way of eating your plantain. This is fried plantain recipe, which is stuffed and made the way you've never seen before. Today on Ijeoma Living, I'm going to show you how to make stuffed fried plantain cups filled with seasoned chicken and vegetable. This is a simple and well-structured, flavor-filled recipe. Let's begin. I'll start by peeling the coat of the plantain. Make sure you wash your plantain coat before peeling it. After peeling it, cut it in chunks, small chunks, and place it in a pot. Add water and boil. The plantain needs to boil for at least 5 minutes until it is fork tender. Yes, you don't want it soggy, please. Don't overcook your plantain. You just want it soft enough. You'll be using your lemon squeeze or this rice scoop. We all know this rice scoop, Abi. Most people have it in their house for dishing out jollof rice. Yes, Nigeria jollof rice. So all you have to do is place this fling nylon in it. This will prevent the plantain from sticking to the scoop. One plantain shapes better and holds structure. So cool the plantain a little bit before doing this. You want the plantain warm. Place it in the scoop. Make sure your fling nylon is already placed. Use a strong spoon to press it down. This will help you get the shape of the scoop, which will imitate a cup. After doing that, when the cup is formed, you place it on your tray or wooden board or whatever you are using at that point. Then the shaped plantain cup will fall out easily. Why? Because the fling nylon prevents it from sticking to it. This is how you fix a cup that is not okay. You add a little bit of plantain to it and restructure it. Very, very easy. The number one mistake some people make in creating something like this is overcooking your plantain or trying to structure this plantain when it's too hot or when it's completely cooled off. You want it a bit warm. Okay? Place the oil on the fire on medium-low heat and fry the plantain. Frying this plantain helps it keep this structure and gives it a very different flavor because boiled plantain and fried plantain has two different tastes. But for people that are very health conscious, place it in an air fryer or an oven. The same thing, different process. But for me, I want to fry this plantain because in everything you do about plantain, frying plantain remains the most delicate and most tasteful one. So after frying the plantain cups, set them aside to cool off. Okay? Then it will be time for us to make the stuffing for the plantain cups. If you are enjoying this video, do well to give us a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave any question in the description box. I am going to answer you, okay? And if you're understanding this video very well, write stuffed plantain in the comment section. You can use any protein of choice for this stuffed plantain. I use chicken breast, which is soft chicken, because I prefer the taste of chicken for this plantains recipe. But if you have fish, if it's fish you want to use, it's very okay. If it's beef you have, perfect. You can actually make it a grounded beef or a minced meat, whichever one. If you have pork, you can use it. So whichever protein you have, you can use it. You can even use shrimp. Okay, so it is your choice. Make sure not to add curry powder and thyme to the chicken or to the protein you want to use for the stuffed plantain. They are not needed for this recipe. The both flavor will overpower the meat or the protein you'll be using, and it will not give you that delicate flavor. So don't use curry and don't use thyme. Just use garlic powder and black pepper, salt, and you are good to go. Make sure you add enough onions because onions makes everything better. And make sure to saute the onions until it's translucent before adding the beef, okay, or adding the protein you'll be using for this stuffed plantain. To make this stuffed plantain, there are some certain things you need to know. For your veggies, make sure they are not overcooked. You still want the veggies to be a bit crunchy when you are eating it or having it with the plantain. You don't want overcooked soggy veggies. And I didn't use tomato for this recipe. I used just tatashi and a little bit of scotch bonnet, that is pepper. Don't use tomato. It will taste a little bit of sour, and that is not what you want. Okay. Once you have added the spring onions, you have just 1 minute to bring everything down. This recipe is ready. Now it's time to fill up the plantain pockets to make the incredible stuffed plantain. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an easy Nigerian recipe that works as snack, appetizer, and light meal. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Love this video. Love yourself. Be kind to yourself, okay? I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.